Just doing your hearing test. Of course, she's already fallen back asleep.
She has a lot of people coming in this afternoon, so she's sleeping.
Yeah, it is good. She can sleep now. But she's got to eat. She's been sleeping for 4 hours. Great job, Stella.
Good job.